Teen Big Four, bibigyan ko kayo ng pagkakataon na makauwi o mabisita ang mga kamag-anak ninyo dito sa Pilipinas.
Thank you po so much.
Thank you po, kuya.
We are going to America now, where my dad grew up.
We have here the smallest book in the world.
How come my dad never told me about this?
Hey guys, I just got serious.
From like the best pizza ever.
Kala mo, Ilona,
Akala mo ikaw lang, ha? Meron din kami.
I want to be Imelda Marcos, so I have my own shoe museum. Ayun, yung sa selfie booth po, plano po namin, ikot po kami, ikot po sa charity.
I saw my Lola Francine. Oh my gosh. Before we left, we took a selfie with the big one.
Sa signature mo.
Tapos, sakay na kami ng van.
We had like these really good memories. It's just such an amazing feeling because all these memories pass by when we drive. And I'm just like, whoa, time goes by so quick. Oh my God! I saw a marching band. They were like...
Tapos, tawang-tawa po si Ilona kasi andun yung mga fans niya nakaabang. May mga hawak na banner.
Parang fiesta po nung dumating po kami doon.
There were these people. So many people came and I was like, whoa! That was really unexpected.
Hindi mo po na-expect na may ganun pala na darating na kapag pumunta ka sa isang lugar na kilala ka po, ganun po kainit yung pagsalubong nila. Na-appreciate mo na yung love po nila sa inyo.
It felt like we were part of this concert or something, just coming out. It felt amazing because everyone was just like, ah! Oh my gosh, it's Lola! Oh my gosh, it's Jimbo! Oh my gosh, it's Uncle! Oh my gosh, it's Bailey! Everyone went crazy. Like there was a lot of people that showed up. And it's weird because, you know, there's just so many people that showed up and you feel so loved. Like, wow. So weird, but so blessing at the same time. You feel really blessed and special and loved. Oh, all these mixed emotions. They were shouting, Ilona, we're in the fight! We're in the fight, Ilona! Just amazing. Those three words are the words of the day. Amazing, loved, and blessed.
Excited na po kami makapagpa-selfie kay Bailey. Ilona!
During the activity, we took selfies with the people for the charity.
Wake up when the sun comes down and the light falls on my head.
Pagkatapos po nung activity namin, naglakad na po kami papunta kila Ilona.
Si Ilona sumakay sa likod ko. Sabi ni Ilona pagod na daw po siya. Sinakay ko po siya hanggang dun sa bahay nila, hanggang makapasok sa pinto. Hi po.
Sobrang malapit pa rin po nila. Kahit na nasa ibang bansa yung magulang ni Ilona, sobrang lapit po ng mga pinsan niya sa kanya, tsaka masaya po sila na sumalubong sa amin. Tuwang-tuwa po sila.
My Aunt Nika, my cousin. Hi, Jimboy. This is Taylor Joker.
In short, My family is here. He approves. She approves.
I'm a good.
Pagkatapos nila magpakilala, sabi ko, ay, salamat, nakilala ko ang lahat ng pamilya ko. Sabi ko ganun. Tapos tuwang-tuwa po yung mga kapamilya niya, tuwang-tuwa lahat. Tapos, sa ilan nung natawa ko, sabi nila,
Hi guys, we are going to pick up someone to tour us around Marikina.
Welcome to Marikina. Give you the Marikina passport. Ayun yung magiging guide nyo papunta sa mga attractions dito sa Marikina.
Una namin pinuntahan pagkatapos po dun sa City Hall, dun po sa Book Museum.
tapos ang dami pong libro.
Ang dami po namin nakita. Malalaking libro, maliliit na libro na ganito ka-size. Tapos yung pinakamaliit na libro.
We have here the smallest book in the world.
Siguro pag babasahin mo, kailangan microscope.
Sobrang liit din yun.
How come my dad never told me about this?